I am incredibly grateful to be awarded the Honorary Fellowship. Throughout my whole life, I've felt a very strong connection to Wales. It's where I was born, it's where my mother and father were born, it's where our family is. And so to have Cardiff University recognise me in this way has a wonderful sense of coming full circle to my parents' home, to where our family came from. So that's very special. This is the first time I've been to Cardiff since the COVID pandemic started. I've been a regular visitor over the years. I was born in Barry but left when I was 4 years old, so I wasn't a childhood visitor to Cardiff but an adult one. I've had the opportunity to speak at the Welsh Assembly and to do some amazing things, so it's just so terrific to have the opportunity to be back. This is the first time I've been in the Principality Stadium. I haven't been here to watch the rugby. It's incredible. I talked to the class of 2022 about my own journey in life and how when I was at university I found a passion for education, public policy, for making my views heard, for wanting to change the world. And I talked to them about how I hope they found that passion during their university days. If they haven't, then there's still time for them to shape the cause that they want to be the defining thing of their lifetime. And I urge them to do so and to be involved, because heavens knows our world needs new energy and new ideas. I did also say to the class of 2022 that it's very important for them to savour this part of their life, to have a real sense of achievement, to thank their family and friends. No one gets to this stage of their life alone. Everybody's had people support them, and to really mark that moment, I think, stands you in good stead for the rest of your life. Huge congratulations from me to all of the graduates today. What an achievement. I'm sure they're all thrilled, and they should be.